Howdy, howdy, everyone. It is Ashley and Bill, and this is another mortgage moment. I'm Ashley Tellis. I'm a real estate expert here in Central Texas, and this is my partner in money, Mr. Bill.Roegelein. Bill, how you doing today?
Doing great. What's new?
You know, man, I keep watching the trends on interest rates, and I heard this amazing rumor in 2023 that we were going to see a bunch of declines and it was going to be amazing, so on and so forth. That hasn't really happened, and I'm super curious. Why would anybody buy an investment property right now when the cost of money is so expensive?
It's a great question, and we've come up on this a lot, and I've just been dealing with some clients that have had the same question. I think first in the real estate world, and you know this better than all, is there's some deals out there to be had, and if you've been thinking about that investment property, regardless of the interest rates, think about that, because even if the seller helps contribute, right, maybe it can help buy the interest rate down, to put a little bit more palatable for you on making that dive into the real estate portfolio side of your investment. So buying an investment property, all right, so yes, the interest rate might be high, but remember, refinancing is in your future. Okay, so don't be hung up on the rate and the payment too much. Again, one of the big perks is getting renters in there, having them pay your mortgage for you. Okay, you might not cash flow right off the bat, but don't feel bad about that. Okay, if they're paying your mortgage, remember, they're paying your principal down on your mortgage. And with appreciation, just in the Austin market, average house appreciation, just so you know, it could be around 4 to 6%. So think about that return on your investment year over year. So your investment's going up and someone's paying your mortgage for you and they're paying your principal down. So that's kind of a win-win regardless of the situation. And then as interest rates go down and you refinance, that mortgage payment gets lower for you. And even history with rents go up too. So there's a lot. Yes, they should. So a lot of good pictures there on that side. From a tax standpoint, though, is the income that you make on these rental properties. You can write a lot of it off. Okay, you can write the mortgage interest off. You can write your insurance off, the property taxes off, where you're getting paid this money for this property where it's technically income, but a lot of it washes out when you get to write off these deductions when you do your taxes. And that's hard to say because passive income is a big word that comes up with investment properties. And that's income you're earning, not doing anything. You're letting something else do the work for you. You're letting your house do the work for you and making this income for you. On the back end, you're getting to write some of it off where you don't have to pay taxes on it. So those just real good benefits. If you've got the money to put down, 25% down is going to be your key number for investment properties, that you can get a good return on it at the end of it. These are long-term holds. Okay, don't think you buy it and you want to sell it the next year. Okay, because if you might make a little money on it, you might break even on it. These are long-term holds. So just remember that, and renters are your best friend.
So what I'm hearing is your investment's not an ATM machine. You're going to have to hang on to it for a bit. Even though interest rates are high, there's still opportunities. I actually completely agree with that. And I think what you're saying without saying it is a great place to go bury your money is into a piece of real estate, because that is going to be one of your best hedges against inflation, which is still high and still happening. So as you tap into that equity year over year, at the end of the day, you'll look up and realize you've kind of won and somebody else picked up the tab all along the way. I love that.
Yes. And the last couple of years with the stock market and the volatility with it, the house has been the most consistent from an appreciation standpoint on getting a good return.
Well, I think that's it in a nutshell. A quick little mortgage moment this week. If you have more questions about investing here in Central Texas, I am your home girl, so to speak, Ashley. And then this is my partner in money, Bill. He doesn't just do loans in Texas. He does it in other markets around the United States. So I know he has amazing real estate partners in different pockets in the U.S. that you can speak to as well. So if you want to put your money to work instead of just putting it in a savings account, not earning you very much, give us a call. Let us help you out. Click around here on our channel and check out all of our other topics. And then we'll see you next time for another mortgage moment. Thank you so much, Bill.
Yep. See you next week.